morning?
Oh my god.
Solo cup. Ready to... No! Don't throw it away.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Are you shooing me off?
No.
You don't love me no more?
No. The joke's getting old though.
We got a new addition to our community tank. It's a betta fish. It was my grandma's. And we actually have another new addition, but she is in the back hiding, so I can't show her right now. Oh, Minnie. Hey, look. It's actually kind of cold out, so she's got a little jacket on. Will you stay warm? Huh, yeah. Good morning. Good morning. What you doing? We need this kind for our tank. I do believe.
Yeah, I believe so too.
Whoop. Whoop. We've gotten a few weird looks. Oh yeah.
I haven't paid no attention.
That's okay though. Yes, that really was someone's bumper sticker. Now I am dropping off dog blankets and towels for the Humane Society at my local school. Well, it's college, but I guess you still call it school. It just sounds weird when I say that. Okay, finally found the room. So now I'm off to write an essay. How much fun! Okay, essay's done on the Stanford experiment. The Stanford prison experiment, and now I'm gonna go make dog blankets.
Something for one of my classes for like a volunteer thing for nursing schools.
Just some Kessler Cafe soft treat.
Well, dog blankets done. Now I have to go pick up my dogger and then go pick up Kitty from work. Well, you know what that means. It's that time of the month. Time for flea treatment. Ming, did you do that? Did you do that? You're gonna lose it if you keep tearing it up. Well, running some errands with my dad, I got Puddin' Pop here. And I made these yummy, yummy crackers. They're just Ritz crackers, salt side down, and then cheese and bacon bits on a cookie sheet, and you just put them in the oven for like less than 5 minutes. It's really good. Those guys are doing like construction work or something, like roof work, whatever. And she's not liking it. Oh, Puddin'. But we got a bunch of errands to run, so I figured this would be a good film. It would be something different. I'm so excited my video went live this morning. My comedy sketch. If you haven't seen it, sorry. They're so like unprofessional. But I'm super excited. If you haven't seen it, go head over to my channel and just click on videos or whatever. It's called It's called Uber Juggalo Comedy Sketch, and I'm so proud of it. We worked so hard on it, and a big thanks to DC for helping me film it, and he helped me quite a bit as far as like moving cameras and helping me film it and stuff, and I helped him film his video for Juggalo Day, and if you haven't seen that, link will be down in the description. Go check out his video. It is so badass. It's basically a reenactment of a skit from the album The Amazing Jackal Brothers. Not the same song that I did or anything, different song, but it's really badass. And he did such a good job on the editing. It's really cool. And so, shout out to him. And I'm super excited. I checked it like this morning before I left the house and it had like 30 some views. I was like, ooh, yeah. I'm so proud of it was like my baby. I worked on that script pretty hard and worked on everything editing wise and everything. And it's not my very first comedy sketch. I guess I shouldn't say that. It's like but my first comedy sketch on this vlog or this channel. So I'm just chilling out here editing and managing YouTube, just kind of like working on projects. And this is what I see. Whoop, whoop. That's exciting. I'm thinking about doing a 100 subscriber giveaway. I'm not sure yet, because I don't really have anything I could give away, but I'm sure I could find something. Or get something. But I think that'd be kind of cool. It's kind of like a monumental thing, you know, 100 subscriber giveaway. I've seen a lot of YouTubers do that. This is not my first YouTube channel. I've had probably 5 or 6. I've been a YouTuber since YouTube came out in 2005. And usually the most I've ever gotten as far as subscribers are in the 80s. I've never gotten really past that. So this is kind of a big deal for me. And this video, the Uber Juggalo video, is doing pretty good so far. It hit 100 views. That's always a good in my eyes. And look at this shit. 2 fucking thumbs down. What the fuck? So we're gonna go split wood and have a cookout.
I got ham, bread, mayonnaise, butter, chips, hot pepper cheese, mild cheese. Thank you.
Kenny wanted to get ice cream last night. And he was like talking me out of it, and I said, well, you really want the shits while we're splitting wood? And he's like, oh, but it sounds so good.
Do they make non-dairy ice cream? I think Martin sells some. That'd be out of that almond. Yeah.
And they only have like 2 flavors. You know, chocolate and vanilla.
The cheesecake Bubba from Sycamore just sounds so good.
Jeff, my buddy I go fishing with,
Yeah.
he's allergic to wheat, and then now he's allergic to dairy.
Yeah.
But he says sometimes he gets a craving for donuts. It's just unreal. So like if he's off for the weekend, he gets that craving once or twice a year. He may go buy a dozen donuts.
Oh my word.
He said there's no difference eating one than eating a dozen of them.
Why don't you just like get donut flavored coffee or something? Wouldn't that be easier?
I don't know.
Isn't that nice?
Feels good.
Oh man, I am sicker than a dog. Oh, I feel like shit. I'm so out of breath. Okay. I'm in the Portaloo. Now it's time to go back to splitting wood. I am dying.
You're dying.
I am dying. He's watching Dragon Ball Z Super. I am puking. And I can't breathe. And I can't hardly walk. And I get out of breath. I'm just like so winded. So yeah. I had a eBay haul and unboxing I had planned to get done, but I don't want to be coughing and hacking the whole time. And that's why this vlog's kind of short, because I didn't film the last couple days very much. Okay, well, let's try to get this vlog edited and uploaded today. That way it's not too terribly late.